Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on enabling a fixed and sticky header using a WordPress theme. In this guide, you will learn how to make your website header remain visible as you scroll down the page, improving navigation and user experience. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the WordPress site. Upon loading the homepage, locate the login option at the top right corner and click on it to start accessing your account. After clicking login, sign in using a convenient method available, such as continuing with Google. Select the Google account you want to use, which simplifies the login process and provides a secure way to access your dashboard. After successfully signing in, focus on the Quick Links section, which offers shortcuts to important parts of your website management. Click on Edit Site to open the Site Editor interface, where you can modify various elements of your WordPress website. Once inside the editor, locate your header at the top of the page and click on it to select it for editing. This action signals that you intend to modify its settings, including options to make it fixed and sticky as visitors scroll. Next, direct your attention to the right panel of the editor, which contains configuration options for the header. Find the position option and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with placement choices. From this menu, select Sticky. Choosing Sticky ensures your header remains visible at the top of the screen as users scroll, keeping navigation menus and other key header elements accessible at all times. This functionality is particularly useful for improving usability, making it easier for visitors to navigate your site and access essential links quickly. Slight differences in themes might require looking for similar labels or settings if they are not exactly as described. Using the visual cues in this tutorial, you can locate the header element, position option, and drop-down menu efficiently. Once configured, your WordPress header will now stay fixed and sticky, enhancing both the design and functionality of your site. By following these steps carefully, you can ensure your website provides a professional look with improved navigation. Regularly checking and updating header settings helps maintain a consistent user experience across different pages. This completes the guide on enabling a fixed and sticky header in WordPress. Enjoy the improved functionality, accessibility, and aesthetic appeal that come with this simple but effective update. Happy WordPress using!